Hi guys, today we're gonna recreate this look of Deepika Padukone, and she wore this look to Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards 2019, and this is the final look that I recreated. In her look, she had very dewy skin with little contouring. I believe her makeup artist used a strobing technique to achieve this look. Strobing is just a fancy word for extreme highlighting. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. First, using this dark brown shade from NYX Trio palette, I am going to fill in my eyebrows. And for the eyebrows, I'm going to stick to my natural brow shape and just filling in the sparse areas in my eyebrows. And then I'll comb everything in place. Next, using this e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, I will prime my eyelids and blend the shadow primer with my finger. Then using this Sephora miniature palette, I am going to take the light brown shade as my transition color, and I'm using a blending brush to put that color in my crease, and the name of the color is Biscuit. Next, using this dark brown shade from the NYX Trio palette, I am going to concentrate this color in my crease area, and here I'm using a crease brush. Then taking the same Sephora palette, I am going to take this shimmery color and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Next, I'm using Stila's Liquid Eyeshadow in color Kitten Karma for extra shimmer. I'm going to concentrate that liquid eyeshadow in the inner corner and blend the rest of it out with my finger. In Deepika's look, she has more glitter on the inner part of her eyelid and more diffuse glitter on the rest of her lid. So that's what we'll try to achieve today. And here I'm using a little more of that Stila Liquid Eyeshadow and again concentrating it more on the inner corner and blending it away with a flat shader brush. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with this L'Oreal Intense Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to do a little winged eyeliner. And here I did my other eye off camera. And next, I'm going to use an illuminating primer, and this primer I'm using is called Maybelline Real Base. Since this is an illuminating primer, it will help us achieve that dewy, glowy look. Next, using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange color, I'm going to color correct my under eye area and the areas around my mouth, and then I'll blend everything away with my finger. Next, using this e.l.f. HD translucent powder, I'm going to set the areas that I color corrected just so this orange color does not mix with the products that we'll put on top of it. And then using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I will conceal the color corrected areas, and I am in shade 25 for this concealer. And then I'll blend everything away with a damp beauty sponge. Next, for the foundation, I'm going to mix in a couple of drops of NYX Hydrating Primer Oil and a couple of drops of that illuminating primer that I used earlier. And I'll mix everything together and put it on my face and then blend everything away with a beauty sponge. And for the foundation, I use L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Glow in 206. And again, I mixed everything in together just to achieve that glowy, dewy look. Next, I'm going to highlight the center of my face and lower cheeks. For highlighting, I'm using the same Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 25. So highlighting this way is a part of strobing. A concealer or a highlighter is used to bring attention to our facial features instead of contouring. You will notice that my cheekbones will look contoured even though I didn't contour my cheekbone area. But for this look, I will slightly contour. It's coming up next. In this picture, Deepika has contouring going on right in front of her ears and her jawline to give her that very chiseled look, and that's what we're gonna do today. And for that, I'm going to be using Maybelline Master Contour Stick, and I'm in shade 015, and I'm also going to contour the area right in front of my ears and my jawline and blend everything away with a beauty sponge. Next, I'm going to use the liquid highlighter from the Body Shop, and it's called Tinted Glow Enhancer, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face, my cheekbones, the area above my eyebrows, my brow bone, the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and my chin. And this again is the next step of strobing, where we use liquid highlighter and set the liquid highlighter with the powder highlighter to get that all day glow. For the powder highlighter, I'm using a Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop and using it on the areas where I use the liquid highlighter. Next, I popped on Ardell lashes in 105, and then I am using the same Sephora miniature palette and taking that light brown shade Biscuit from that palette and using that to smoke out my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to use this bronzer from NYC in shade 707, and I'm going to apply it in the shape of 3 and on my forehead. Next, I'm using this blush from Amway, and it's in shade Natural Haze, and I'm mixing both the colors together and I'm putting it on the cheekbone area and my temples, and I want this blush to mix in with the bronzer and the highlighter to give that natural glow. Next, I'm using a lip liner from Annabelle in shade 300 Spice, and I'm going to outline my lips and fill them in with this lip liner. And next, I'll use a liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild in shade 922B Coral Corruption, and then I will set everything in place using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please let me know in the comments box below, and also let me know what you'd like to see next. And do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you soon. Take care till then. Bye bye.